Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best creatine monohydrate supplements that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Horbäach Creatine Monohydrate capsules. Each serving delivers a full 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, spread across several capsules, with 225 capsules per container. It's clear that this product is built for convenience and portability. The build quality of the capsules is excellent. They're easy to swallow and come in a non-GMO, gluten-free formulation, which makes them a great option for individuals with dietary restrictions. While capsules are typically more convenient than powders, the serving size here might require taking multiple capsules at once, which some users may find inconvenient. Performance-wise, the 5-gram serving size is ideal for muscle strength, power, and endurance benefits. It's a high-quality product at its core, but the large capsule count per serving might make it less appealing to those who prefer simplicity. Pros include the full 5-gram creatine dose per serving and dietary inclusivity. Cons involve the higher capsule count required. A good pick for those who want an unflavored, capsule-based supplement. At number 3, we have the BulkSupplements.com Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This is a no-frills, high-quality creatine powder that delivers 5 grams of micronized creatine per serving. The 500 grams package provides 100 servings, making it an excellent long-term option for those who prefer powders over capsules. The build quality is solid, with micronized particles ensuring easy mixing and minimal grittiness. The unflavored nature of the powder allows you to mix it with virtually any beverage without altering the taste, which is a significant plus for versatility. However, the lack of pre-measured servings means you'll need a scoop, which could be inconvenient for some users. In terms of performance, BulkSupplements delivers on its promise of pure, gluten-free creatine. It's ideal for athletes looking for clean supplementation without additional ingredients. Pros include the high serving count, excellent mixability, and pure formulation. Cons are the lack of convenience compared to capsules and the need for a scoop. This is a great choice for budget-conscious users who are comfortable with measuring their servings. In the runner-up spot, we have the Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate Micronized Powder, with 5 grams of creatine per serving and 100 servings per container. This product offers excellent value for money. It's designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who want a straightforward, effective creatine supplement. The powder is micronized, which means it dissolves easily in water or other beverages without leaving a gritty texture. The unflavored formula is another bonus, as it can be added to shakes, smoothies, or even plain water without altering the taste. The packaging is sturdy and resealable, ensuring the powder stays fresh over time. Performance-wise, Nutricost offers a reliable creatine supplement that supports muscle strength, endurance, and recovery. It's also gluten-free and non-GMO, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Pros include easy mixability, high serving count, and excellent value. Cons are minimal, but like other powders, it requires a scoop for measurement. A fantastic option for those who value affordability and effectiveness. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate capsules. This product stands out for its convenience and quality. Each serving contains 2.5 grams of pure creatine monohydrate, and with 100 capsules per bottle, it's perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to supplement creatine. The capsule design is sleek and easy to swallow, making it a hassle-free option for users who dislike mixing powders. Optimum Nutrition is a trusted brand in the sports nutrition world, and their commitment to quality shows in this product. It's banned substance tested, so you can feel confident in its safety and effectiveness. In terms of performance, this product is ideal for high-intensity athletes looking to boost muscle size, strength, and power. While the 2.5 grams per serving may require doubling up for some users, the convenience of capsules more than makes up for it. Pros include the trusted brand name, convenient capsule form, and high-quality creatine. The only con is the lower creatine dosage per serving compared to powders. Overall, it's the best option for users who prioritize convenience and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.